Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to vectorize an image in photopea. Let's begin. First of all, open your image. I already removed this background. Then you can use magic wand tool or quick selection tool, or go to select tab subject, or then automatically selecting selection subject. Then go to window tab, select find path. Okay, then click path. See this select to path. Click this icon, selection to path. Click here. Then go to layer tab, new fill layer, color fill. Select your color. Example, I use select black color. Click again layer and select path selection tool. Direct selection. That's it. Then I remove this. Go to file, save as SVG. Click save. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.